Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Joany and I'm excited to teach you a new movement that's a little bit more advanced, but it was a request, and so it is the Hagalla, which is an Egyptian walk, and it's going to be like this. Let me show you. So yeah, it's a little bit advanced, but we could do it. So get into something comfortable and let's do the Hagalla. All right, so like before we start, breathe in, breathe out. Let's wait for that music. Relax your jaw. And soften your knees. Good. So we're gonna loosen up your pelvis, and then we're gonna go into our posture and then into the technique and drill. We're gonna go, just kind of loosen up the pelvis by just flexing the knees. Relax your jaw. You can put weight on the buttock and just a little bounce here. So both knees bend. Smile. You're doing something good for yourself. This is so much fun. I'd rather do this than anything else. All right, deep breath in again. Keep the pelvis bounce. Release the tension. As you breathe in, expand the lungs. And breathe out. Breathe in, expand the lungs. And as you expand the lungs, I want you to kind of hold the expansion, but not the breath. So now this is bigger and expanded. And it helps to kind of release the pelvis at the same time. So when you're not contracted like this, not too much pressure down here, when this is expanded and shoulders are relaxed, long neck, it releases tension in the lower body. Okay, so it's really important. Breathe in, expand, relax the shoulders, shoulders down. Keep the bouncing. Good. We're gonna kind of release the tension to our neck, so you could shake it. Good. Hold it here. Deep breath in. I get sometimes dizzy when I do that, so breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so we're gonna bring our feet apart. We're gonna decompress the spine. Tap onto the back. Go as far as you can. Decompress the spine. Shoulders down, not forward. Release the tension to your shoulders. Press it down. Neck align with the spine, not down. Try to keep it aligned. I kind of like to keep that L shape underneath my chin. Try to go as far back. Bring your tailbone as far back as you can. Again, I want you to breathe from the lungs, expand that area. Breathe out from the belly, contract the lower belly. Hold the contraction in the belly. Breathe in from the lungs, expand. Hold the expansion, breathe out from the belly, contract from the belly. Good. And now let's go down, all the way down. Push back, release the head, shake the head. Good. Pull the belly in, and then let's go up. Nice and slow. All right. So we're gonna start the Hagalla, the Egyptian walk. So it's really your lift and drop and a twist. So if you review the lift and drops and the twists in previous videos, keep drilling those movements, and it's going to help with combining it all together into your Hagalla. Okay? So let's go drop and lift and drop. Now switch to the left side. Drop, lift, drop. Okay? Right hip. Drop, lift, drop. Switch. Drop, lift, drop. Drop. Lift, drop, drop, lift, drop. Feel a nice stretch when you drop, okay? And then bring it back to neutral and then drop. So your neutral is your lift, but your pelvis is in neutral. You're not lifting upward like this, okay? So it's just a drop, bring it back in and drop. So focusing on 2 drop, 1 and 2, switch, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, drop, lift, drop, but the focus is gonna be on the drops. Remember Egyptian style of dancing, of belly dancing, the emphasis is more downward. 1 and 2. So we've got a lot of drops. Drop, lift, drop. Drop, lift, drop. Drop, lift, drop. Now the next song is going to be an actual folkloric song. It's the Hagalla. So not only it's a movement, but it's a style of dancing. Down and down, down and down, down and down, down and down, down and down. Now we're going to add a little twist. So you're going to twist and then bring it down, again, down, twist, drop and drop, twist, drop and drop, twist, drop and drop. So twist, drop and drop, twist, drop and drop, twist, drop and drop, twist. Now this is done all in place. So now we're gonna start walking. So you're gonna lift your right foot off the floor, not too high, okay? So you're gonna first twist, and then you're gonna start doing that drop, drop and drop. So now twist. Now that left foot goes forward, and then you drop that hip as you bring that foot down, drop and drop. Okay, so put all the weight on the front foot, you're gonna twist, and then you go drop and drop. So the weight is on the front foot, twist first, the other hip, boom. As you twist, I want you to bring that foot off the floor and drop and drop. Let's do that again. Okay, so we're gonna twist the right, twist. Okay, and that foot's gonna go forward a little bit and then drop and drop. Twist, 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 bring that foot to front, drop and drop. Twist, drop and drop. Twist, drop and drop. Let me go back. I'm gonna go sideways. Right foot. So start with the twist, and as you twist, it kind of helps you to bring that foot forward. Twist, and as you drop, notice the opposite. So the law of opposite, we mentioned that before. Whatever is down, the other one's gonna be up. So that hip is down, the opposite hip is lifted. And I want you to have a nice little straight leg to the back. And finish, this is your first drop. Lift and then drop, do your twist and drop and drop, twist, drop and drop, twist, drop, up, drop, twist, drop, up, drop, twist, drop, up, drop, twist, drop, up, drop. We switch the other way. Start with the right foot. Okay, so let's feet together, twist, and drop and drop, twist, drop and drop, twist, drop and drop, twist, drop and drop, twist, drop and drop, keep going, twist, drop and drop. All right, so now you kind of have the technique. I'm gonna put this in music, we're gonna go a little bit faster, but the most important thing is if you're having an issue with there's too much to think about, and there is a lot of things. We're doing like 3 different movements. We're doing a twist, a drop, and then you're bringing it back up, which is your lift. But again, it's not a lift that's that high. It's just back to kind of an neutral position. So you're engaging a lot of different core muscles. Your obliques are so much engaged, and your psoas muscle. So one thing I really want you to think about, if you're having a hard time to do those 3 movements, you could actually just focus on the one, which is the drop. Okay, so you drop and then you the weight is on your right, and then switch, and the twist is going to happen automatically because you have to walk forward, because when we're walking we kind of do a little twist, okay, in our body. So but this is going to be a little bit more exaggerated, obviously we're dancing, so we're going to go forward, twist, forward. So if you just want to focus on the drop, you could just do that one drop, okay, the walking forward, drop, but you want to make sure that the opposite leg is straight. Yeah, the front is bent. Okay, leg straight, flex. Because the only way the hip gonna go down is when you flex that knee. Okay, so you won't if you do this. Okay, so I'm gonna put that same song again, and we're gonna go a little bit faster. And again, if you're having a hard time, just do the one hip drop. Okay, you don't have to do the double. It takes a lot of practice. It does. It's a little bit more advanced, and you know, I practice it. This took me at least 6 months, and I practice pretty much every day. So be kind to yourself. Focus on one little chain at a time, or link at a time. Okay, let's practice with music one more time. All right. Start with the right. Hold on. So I'm just doing the one drop, just to kind of show you. You could go back. Back is a bit more challenging, but notice I have one knee flex and the other one straight. Now let's go to that side. Okay, slowly turn around. Keep going. So you notice I'm just doing a twist and a drop. Turn around, keep going. So I'm just gonna go like this, okay? And then I'm just gonna turn around. Now I'm gonna go and add that double drop. Drop and drop and drop and drop and drop and drop. Keep going. So I know it's going to take a lot, and be kind to yourself. It takes a lot of practice. Drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop. Don't forget the twist when you go forward. And really extend that back leg. I'm going to go forward. I'm going to turn around. You don't have to. So you can see my back. So these dancers, the Hagallas, and they usually wear a long dress and then a lot of poofy skirt. So it really accentuates the hips. Keep going. You did it. Okay. So again, it is an advance, but somebody asked, and so it's really just something that you need to practice a lot. And it's your twist, your lift and drop. And again, start with just this one. That's how I started. And then add the double drop. Down, up, down, up, down. Okay, and you can practice in place, switch weight. I think I'm probably going to do a bunch of drills for that. Yeah, I'll do that. That's coming maybe next week. Yeah, I'll do it. The next video is going to be built on this, just to help you out, because it is a very advanced movement. It takes a lot of practice. So you have a wonderful week. Practice this, and then next week we'll do more. Maybe a follow-up. Okay, sending you so much love, hugs and kisses. See you next video.